This is a video summarizing the key findings for a project entitled Improving Consistent Use of Malaria Control Measures Positive Deviance Experience, that is funded by CEDA and the University of London. The overall aim of the project was to develop a positive deviance framework that improves the consistent use of malaria control measures. Specifically, the project was divided into 3 phases, and each of the following objectives was answered by phase. So the first one is to explore how community members use malaria control measures and seek malaria treatment. Secondly, identifying positive deviance and understanding reasons behind the positive behavior, and develop a positive deviant framework to enhance the consistent use of malaria control measures. Phase 1 was looking into the identification of the use of malaria control measures and also malaria treatment seeking behavior among community members of Malaria sector, Bugesera district. This was a survey that involved 382 community members, and the findings showed that 68 of the community members interviewed owned at least a bed net, but those who own sufficient bed net, that means 1 bed net per 2 family member, was only 36%. And 89% reported that they slept under the bed net last night. Per observation, some bed net were not hanged among those who reported to sleep under the bed net, and only 83% of the bed net were observed to be hanged. So that means there is a gap between reporting of the use of bed net but also having the bed net hanged by observation. Majority of the community members interviewed had a positive attitude. However, there's those who still think that in the community they share malaria medications, and those who still report that there are those in the community who share medication, but they also don't take malaria medication as prescribed. And this is an issue because it can lead to over or under treatment. Coming to the use of malaria preventive measures, that is bed net or indoor spraying, there are those who still think that the use of either bed net or indoor spraying still brings insects. And that is still an issue because it can prevent the use of malaria preventive measures. Treatment-seeking behavior among those who reported having a fever case, the results indicated that around 86% reported seeking treatment within 24 hours. Looking into the identification of positive deviance and the reasons, motivation behind that, we observed that among those 382 participants, only 82 indicate that they think they used malaria preventive measures correctly, so this prevented them to have malaria case. And these were interviewed through a in-depth interview, and the results indicated that the top motivation for them to practice the positive behavior and prevent malaria control measures were mainly understanding about malaria diseases, and this mostly was reported as they used bed nets or other malaria preventive measures to prevent malaria, and because they know the consequences that are associated to malaria disease. Again, community members reported that they have support from family members and also mobilization of either community health workers, but also community leaders. So this influenced them to use malaria preventive measures. For barriers, mostly poverty that is, lack the financial means to replace damaged bed net, or lack of time. Because instead of, for example, cleaning the home environment, some community members can go around to find other means of living, then forget to clean home environment. So that's limiting them to use preventive measures. So we started the process of developing the framework with those who are positive deviants, and our first workshop was held with 16 positive deviant, and elaborated on the factors that they think, if they are well practiced, they think they can serve as a baseline for malaria prevention. So the study is still in progress, and the second workshop is planned to validate the framework that was developed and then finalize the study. That is all about this study, and we thank you very much for the support to conduct the study, and the final framework will be presented in the video to come. Thank you.